Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, let's discuss what has been trending in Ghana for some days now, about the plans to establish an Igbo village in Ghana. But first of all, I have to state it clearly that a disclaimer was issued. Should I say disclaimer, or a statement was issued from the office of the Eze Ndibo of Igbos living in Ghana, where it was said in the statement that the video circulating where the Ndibo was speaking about plans to build an Igbo village on a 250 plot of land in Nindo in Ghana. He's saying that that video is an old video and such plans were not carried out for some reasons. And also, I want to explain to Ghanaians, what they should understand, what they should know about the Igbo village. It wasn't something to spite the face of Ghanaians at all. It wasn't at all. It's something that if well explained to Ghanaians, they might understand. So now let's talk about Igbo village. So Charlie, what be Igbo village? Enough of English. What be Igbo village? Now when you go to the US, there's an Igbo village in the US. There's a Yoruba village in the US. Now, I have also seen Ghanaians abroad invite chiefs. They do coronations. They install chiefs abroad. You understand? So, this wasn't like installing king for the purpose of expanding a kingdom, taking over Ghana like some people on social media where, they were saying that this thing is not something good, or that he should go to Nigeria and establish this, that. Ghana is a lovely country. It's a beautiful country that, of course, our citizens will always want to defend, or it's a good thing that the citizens are defending their country, but they also have to understand what the Ndibo of Igbos in Ghana was, trying to do. You understand? Now, God bless people like Wodemaya. God bless people like Wodemaya who, they don't see things, because these people are Nigerians, let's now see. No. Wodemaya said, Ghanaians, what's the problem? We have Chinese village in Ghana. This is according to Wodemaya, Chinese village or Chinese community, and you guys are not even really talking much about it, campaigning online about it. Some of these news platforms, we see Chinese people are arrested often. What are they doing in your country? Galamsey. Some of them, they are arrested for doing galamsey, taking your gold. You guys are not talking so much about it. Now, your problem is that a group of Nigerian people want to build, not even a kingdom. No, just want to build something like a small Igbo village. It's not going to without plans of expanding, trying to take your country. No, they can never take your country from you. You are the owners of your country. And Nigerians living in your country will always be law abiding because they are, they are in your country. They have to be law abiding. Nigerians in Ghana are law abiding. You understand? So when you go to Gambia, you as a Ghanaian now, I want you to take your phone and Google this thing. There's Ghana village in Gambia. And Gambians didn't come and say, Ghanaians are trying to take our land from us. Of course, Ghanaians don't own Gambia. Gambia is a sovereign country. But then there is a village called Ghana or Ghanaian village, where if you go there, you find a lot of Ghanaians and their culture, their language, everything is preserved. So I believe maybe this was the plan of the Ndibo of Igbos in Ghana. Just trying to do something beautiful, like, okay, our culture, so that our Igbos here in Ghana that have lived here for many years, so they don't forget their culture, so they don't, so they can see some things that they are missing. Plant some Igbo fruit, like some leaves that we eat and some things in that land, so that we can be able to eat our Igbo food there. It won't be that expensive. It wasn't anything like trying to, because I saw some comments, some people are saying this is how they came, the Alatas, trying to talk about history. Oh, this is how they came, the Alatas. Oh, how about the Hausas in the Zongos? This is how it started. No, this is not what I think the Eze Ndibo was planning to do. Besides, that video is an old video. That video was an interview granted to Crystal TV, something, you know, during the Eze Ndibo's coronation. Now, this Eze Ndibo is just like a Ghanaian too. He's married. I mean, how many of you know this, that he's married to a Ghanaian woman? He's married to a Ghanaian businesswoman, and he has been living in Ghana, from what I read, since 1995. You understand? So you guys shouldn't have a problem. You guys should not think that there is another motive for that. Besides, like I said earlier, the video you guys are watching is an old video. But come to think of it, we are all Africans, and Africans should be free to live in any African country they want to live, as long as they are law abiding. Why is it that we allow people from the West? If it was Americans now that came to Ghana and say, we want to build a small American village where we'll do some American things, that, oh, Ghanaians might not really have a problem with this. They will say, oh, they will smile. Not just Ghana, other African countries. They don't go see them like it be anything. But once it's your fellow African man, no, that comes to do something, you always think he has another agenda or he has a motive. You understand? So guys, it no be so. It no be so. We all will be Africans. This is not what the late Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was preaching and was trying to do. He was trying to unite Africans. You understand? He was trying to unite Africans. This is not the type of thing he was preaching about. We should learn to love ourselves. See, in Nigeria, whether you're Liberian, Cameroonian, Ghanaian, Nigerians do not care. As long as you are law-abiding, we do not care. We Africans. I believe Nigerians are the ones that are even in the forefront of this, trying to unite Africa. Trying, as in we live with different people here in Nigeria, and we don't have you. Have you ever seen Nigerians come online one day to say, oh, Ghanaians living in Nigeria, oh, we are doing this, or Cameroonians living in, or do you think there are no foreign nationals living in Nigeria? There are a lot of them living in Nigeria, but you don't see us trying to do all those things. So we should learn to love ourselves. We should learn to love ourselves. Nobody was coming to grab your land from you guys. Nobody was coming. Even the traditional rulers from Nindo have said it, that no such land was sold to the Eze Ndibo. You understand? So you guys should chill. You guys should chill small. Now, see, Igbos, we are this type of people that our culture, the same way you Ghanaians will go abroad and then you install chiefs, invite people from Ghana, they'll come and do coronation. We do something in Ghana. And when we do it, you guys want to see it like it's another thing. Like our New Yam Festival, we do it. We even invite Ghanaians for our New Yam Festival. We give titles. You know Empress Gifty, I'll put her picture right here. She was given a title by the Eze Ndibo. When Igbos we are doing something, our cultural something. She was not just she, some other people from Ghana. So this thing, Ghanaians for use and cash out self. Let me tell you how Ghanaians would have used this planned Igbo village to cash out. Now there are some African Americans that have traced their roots to Nigeria, because of what the media has painted Nigeria to be. Oh, insecurity. Oh, don't go there, don't go there. So most of them are scared. They're like, okay, let's come to Ghana. Since Ghana and Nigeria is like the same thing too. Now, when they come to Ghana, just imagine they hear there is an Igbo village in Ghana. Bro, don't you think they want... Some of them said, I don't want to come to Ghana. When they hear Igbo village in Ghana, they want to come to Ghana. You understand? They want to visit Ghana, and you guys will be making a lot of money from it, because Ghana is already making a lot of money from tourism because of the way they advertise their country they sell their country abroad and say, see, our country is nice, beautiful, peaceful. And this is true. Ghana is peaceful. There's no insecurity in Ghana. Ghana is a very nice place to be. So this even Igbo village something would have even helped tourism sector in Ghana. I know some of you now come to the comment section and say, we don't need such help. Nigerians, hey, Nigerians, Nigerians. Oh, the truth is that we are one people. Before you start criticizing us, Remove the log in your eyes before you remove the one in another person's eyes. We are one people. Don't allow these Westerners to be laughing at us, say, look at these Africans, they're not even united. We should be united. So I've explained, everything now about this Igbo village. It's not, they're no longer going to construct it, since you guys do not want it. But it wasn't actually a plan to a kind of show you guys that, oh, with your iPass, we want to take over. No, nothing like that. Nigeria and Ghanaians, we are one people. When you come to Nigeria too, you find a lot of Ghanaians, and where they live, they might have their leaders and all that, and we don't care about it. It's something nice. So you guys too foresee the thing where would they do too, like it be like it no be anything. You understand? So if you never subscribe to my channel yet, subscribe. If to say you be Ghanaian and you be Pan-African and you watch this video and you like them, for hit the like button, notification bell above, and subscribe. So see you guys in the next video, and Charlie. We all be one. For stop this thing what we do.